All right. Pardon me. Good morning, everyone. It is 10:59 in the morning of May 27th, 2022, and this is my, morning strategy session. Usually I do these pre-market, but today I just found myself pretty busy in the pre-market, and so, here we are. So a little bit of a gap up this morning. This is the IXIC. I use the Qs to play IXIC. And, okay, so a little bit of a gap up today. And it bumped up and went just above its resistance, or I'm sorry, its risk range line here. The risk range on the IXIC today was at 11,961. It's right now it's at 11,982, and so that's usually a good spot to start averaging in. It's still bearish, so here we are on the 5-minute, and today, for the rest of the day today, it's Friday. It's kind of hard to tell. I don't know what's going to happen for the rest of the day. I only know the percentage chances, the probabilities. And the probability is high that we've hit the high for the day up here at, let's see, the high was at 12,042 on the IXIC. So, okay, I started averaging into a short position on the Qs after it started breaking through the top end of its risk range right here. So, okay, it is what it is. We'll see what happens next week. But yeah, so the NASDAQ is above the top end of its risk range, and I believe, the S&P is very close to the top end of its risk range here. And I went up close to it and started to roll over a little bit. There could be 1 or 2 more days left in this sort of upward pattern. Kind of doubt it. I think today is probably the day to start. If you want to, sell at the top or close to the top and then buy at the bottom, if you're shorting, that's how it works. And also here, the composite NASDAQ, look at it, it got its green week, it went all the way, pretty close to the bottom end of its range and right up to the top end of the range in 1 week. Could this be the bottom? No. Of course, yeah, it could be the bottom. And this could be the start of another leg higher for then the next, this very well could be, just kind of setting up for a bounce higher than the next leg down. That's the likely scenario. But I don't know. I think that for the time being, there's been a pretty decent counter trend move here. And let's see, from the bottom of this move to the top of the move, it's an 8.56% move, upward in a bearish trend. And so, it must have just dropped back down below. Yeah, it's hitting it again. It's got an alarm. Okay, so yeah, it's starting to come down a little bit right now. I don't know. That could be just with respect to the day. That could just be a pullback on the day. If I were to guess, and it's just a guess, I would guess that we're going to be in this range, somewhere around this range for a while. This is a weekly chart, right? So this represents a lot of weeks that I just, it represents until August. June, July, August. That's 12 weeks worth of bouncing back and forth. I have no idea if it's going to last, if the bouncing back and forth is going to last that long or not. And actually, I doubt it. But who knows? So yeah, here we are in this range, and it'll probably be like this for a while, at least a little while. All right, everybody, good luck out there. Keep your wrists tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the bell, and I will see you on Monday. Well, actually, it's a 3-day weekend, right? So yeah, I will see you on Tuesday morning's strategy session. Have a great weekend, everybody. I am out.